doing this for Halloween. Use a fake knife. Hey Glamfam! So today we are doing this tutorial on the bride of Chucky, Tiffany, off of the movie Chucky. I've always loved her makeup, and I don't understand why I haven't done this yet, because I've thought of it so many times. But anyway, really quick before we get into the video, hello, my name is Josie. It is GLAMOWEEN here on my channel right now, which means new Halloween videos all the time throughout the month of October, and this is one of those tutorials. Alright guys, so to start this tutorial off, we are just going to glue down our eyebrows. I'm just brushing them out really fast, and then I am putting some spirit glue on them and smoothing that out. Then for the next step, we are going to get ready for the foundation. So we're going to take this primer and put it all over our face, and then go in with our foundation, which is by ColourPop. Make sure that we have a flawless face like we are a doll. And then we're going to also go in with some concealer. This is also by ColourPop. We are going to do around our eyebrows, underneath our eyes, and regular concealer spots. And we're also going to prime our eyelids. Once that is all placed down, we are going to go in and blend that out with a beauty blender. And then we are going to set that with a translucent powder. And then taking the Hoola bronzer, we are just going to bronze our face and contour to get the more full circle cheeks that Tiffany has in the movie. We are just going to cradle around our cheek with the contour to make them look more round. And then we're going to do the perimeter of our face, and then we're going to contour our nose. We're going to try and make it look a little less wide. Then we're going to blend that out and go in with some blush. Then we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm using the Subculture palette today, and we're going to take this gray color and we are just going to smoke that out into our crease. And once we have that blended on top and the bottom, we're going to go in with this burgundy color and we are going to put that into the crease, but don't blend it out as far as the color that we placed down before this. Then we're going to drag that color down our nose just a little bit, pack on the color on the inner portion of our eye a little bit heavier than we usually would. Then we are going to tightline with a kohl liner. This one is from Sigma. You guys can use my discount code in the description box below if you would like to check it out. And we're also going to do a rough eyeliner with that kohl liner, and we're just going to blend that out on the bottom and the top. And then we are going to go in with a black. Now this black is super pigmented. It is by Inglot, and we are going to put that into our crease and again make this blend a little bit smaller than the last two. We're going to also blend that black underneath our eye and then fill in the rest of the lid with that black, and just make sure everything is blended out. And then we're going to go in with this white from Inglot, and we are just going to highlight underneath our brow and pull that down just so everything blends. And then I wanted a little bit more redness to this look, so we took the Mini Huda Beauty palette and took the red and just barely touched it and blended that into our smoky eye. Then we are going in with NYX's Epic Ink Liner. You guys already know this is like my fave. And we are going to do our winged liner. And then I'm going to take a black shadow and go in and just fill in the eyebrows roughly to start. The black eyeshadow is a lot easier to fix versus the black body paint. So once we have the shape that we like, I'm then going to go in and sharpen all the lines with the black body paint. And then I'm going to put my contacts in. I am using some contacts from TTDI. I will have them listed in the description box. They have bomb contacts, guys. If you'd like to check them out, I do have a discount code. That will be in the description box as well. And then I'm going to put my lashes on. These are by Black Label Lash in the style Jagger, and they are so gorgeous and full and big, and I just love them so much. And then we're going to move on to lips. This is the liquid lipstick from Lime Crime. It's one of my favorite black lips. It's really, really, really good and very comfortable, and it lasts pretty much all day. Once you are done with the lips, you can add your little beauty mark. I'm just covering my piercing, but you can just add it to your skin, and you are now done. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. It's free, and if you click the red subscribe button and then the bell notification and then turn all notifications on, you will never miss another one of my spooky Halloween videos. This leather coat is ridiculous.